Kakatamaan po.
โอ้โหสายแต่หน้าร่วงสิครับ
หมัดขวากระแทกครับครับแบบนี้ไล่ถล่มแหลกนะครับอดอร์ทอเรสครับไล่ถล่มลำตัวโอ้โหหมัดแรงการเจอลำตัวครับ
Where Ador Torres places his foot. Well, there you go. Right hand. Right hook to the body from Ador Torres. Not phased at all. Big hook to the body. Queso. Oh, and again. Landed some light combinations to Denver side.
Isa sa Pinoy ang sakit ng ulo ng mga Thailander, ang tinaguriang The Terminator, ang Bicolano boxer at ABF champion na si Ador Torres. Hindi man gaanong kilala si Torres dito sa Pinas, pero sa bansang Thailand ay nangingibabaw ang pangalan nito na tirador ng mga Thai boxer. Dahil 7 Thai fighter na ang sunod-sunod na ninockout ni Torres. Kaya madalas na kunin ito para ipangtapat at makabawi ang mga Thai fighters sa Pinoy. Ngunit humahandusay lang naman ito sa lona. Samantala si Ador Torres ay may record sa kasalukuyan na 12 wins, 4 losses at 8 knockouts. Isang southpaw at tubong Magdalena Sorsogon at lumalaban sa welterweight division. Si Torres ay dating lumalaban sa middleweight division bago ito bumaba ng 2 division at nanatili sa welterweight. Kaya may kabigatan din ang kamao nito na kapag tumama ng sulit, tiyak bagsak ang kalaban. Samantala October 26, 2022 nang dumayo ang ating kababayan na si Torres sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Thai fighter na si Worapon Jisa Dajindawat o mas kilala bilang Satanpob Sorbangkor. Sa round 3 ay nainip na si Torres. Gusto nang tapusin ang laban kaya napakawala ito ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon.
ดูครับใบหน้าสลับลำตัวสลับใบหน้าเคาะไปมาเคาะไปอัปคัตนี่มี
At sa pagkakataong ito tumama ang right uppercut ni Torres na nagpayuko sa Thai boxer. Ngunit nagdalawang isip si Torres na bakbakan kaya nakaiwas pa ang Thai boxer.
สายลำตัวโอ้โหอัปคัตขวาครับแม่แทบจะร่วงครับลูกนี้ต้องหมุนออกมาก่อนครับบุกเข้าไปบัดซ้ายต้องถามใจอดอร์ทอเรสแล้วครับตอนนี้ถามใจเขาแล้วครับว่าจะเอาถึงน็อกไหมต่อยซ้ายเข้าหน้าโอ้โหลำตัวสลับใบหน้าครับแต่ว่ายังยิ้มได้นะครับทางด้านของสถานภพครับอดอร์ทอเรส
Sa round 4 ay nakipagpalitan ng suntok ang Thai boxer. Sa lakas ng suntok ng Pinoy halos mabalibag ang Thai boxer.
แม่เริ่มจะมีฮึดมาแล้วครับสถานภพครับหลังจากที่มึนๆซึมๆไปเมื่อปลายยกที่แล้วครับ
Dito tinamaan ng left overhand na sinundan ng right uppercut, bagsak ang Thai boxer.
โอ้โหสายเต็มหน้าร่วงสิครับอย่างนี้
Panalo si Torres via 4th round technical knockout. Matapos lang ng isang buwan, November 30, 2022, ay balik Thailand si Ador Torres na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Thai fighter na si Pyren Sokmuang na pinabagsak ng Pinoy ng 2 beses at tinapos sa loob lang ng unang round.
สถิติการชกชนะ5แพ้4เสมอ2ครั้งนะครับส่วนทางด้านของชกมา8ครั้งชนะ2แพ้6ครับหนักๆครับมาปลุกให้ทางด้านของ
Dito nagulat ang Thai boxer sa lakas ng kamao ng Pinoy nang tamaan ng right overhand na nagresulta ng pagbagsak nito.
หมัดขวากระแทกครับร่วงเลยครับนี่เป็นหมัดขวากระแทกนะครับกระทำที่ถูกต้องเลยนะครับไม่ต้อง
Sa pagpatuloy ng laban ay nagpakawala si Torres ng kaliwat kanang jab sa katawan na sinundan ng right uppercut na tumapos sa Thai boxer.
ข้างอันตรายครับแบบนี้ไล่ถล่มแหลกนะครับอดอร์ทอเรสครับไล่ถล่มลำตัวโอ้โหหมัดแรงการเรียบร้อยครับจบ
Panalo si Torres via first round technical knockout. Samantala isang buwan lang din ang pagitan. December 28, 2022 ay muling napalaban si Ador Torres sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang isa na naman na Thai fighter na si Michaya Kaiwisit. Nakatay sa laban ang bakanting ABF welterweight title. Sa round 2 ay tamang hintay lang si Torres para makounter ang Thai boxer. Kaya sa pagbato nito ng kanan ay agad naman itong naiwasan. Sabay sa ilalim si Torres at binigyan ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon sa katawan. Lukot ang Thai boxer. Agad naman itong tumayo at gigil na makabawi sa Pinoy.
ปิดบัญชีเลยหรือเปล่าครับแม่ในช่วงปลายยกครับ10วินาทีสุดท้ายโดนหมัดขวาอีกแล้วครับไก่วิชิตวิชยาไก่วิเศษนะครับโอ้โหเจอตัวดักๆเข้ามาหมดยกครับหมดยกขยับเข้าไปโอ้โหแลกกันแล้วบวกกันแล้ว
Sa round 3 ay dito binakbakan ng Pinoy ang Thai boxer na sinalo ng mukha nito ang mga suntok na kung kaya't nabilangan ito ng referee.
มีอาการกันครับปีชยาโอ้รัวเลยครับรัวบัดชุดนะครับอดอร์ทอเรสรัวบัดชุดตอนนี้ยืนนิ่งตัวแข็งแล้วครับปีชยาครับยังไงครับโอ้เป็น standing edge เขานะครับต้องการยืนนับ8ก็แล้วแต่กดแต่ละที่
Sa pagpatuloy ng laban ay patuloy din na sinasalo ng Thai boxer ang mga suntok ng Pinoy.
โอ้สายเต็มหน้าตบซ้ายโอ้ดูครับมีแกว่งครับปัดนี้โอ้ โอ้โหวิชยาหุกซ้ายเข้าลำตัวโอ้ยังทนได้ก็พยายามแลกลำตัว
Sa round 4 ay muling binakbakan ni Torres ang Thai boxer.
ปัดซ้ายเต็มๆโอ้โหปัดซ้ายเต็มหน้าครับโดนแล้วมีอาการเลยครับทางด้านของวิชยาไล่ทะลุเลยครับโอ้มีเล่นงานลำ
At dahil sa nagugulpi lang at patuloy na pagsalo ng suntok ng Thai, ay minabuti ng referee na itigil na ang laban.
ครับดูครับหมัดของอดอร์ทอเรสซ้ายเต็มๆหน้าครับโอ้ยุติการ
Panalo si Torres via 4th round technical knockout at matagumpay na nakuha ni Torres ang ABF belt. Samantala April 27, 2023 ay balik Thailand si Ador Torres para depensahan ang hawak nitong ABF belt na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang isa na naman na Thai fighter na si Perapong Phuethuong.
Title defense ended in round number 10. Can this one?
Sa round 2 ay ponterya talaga ni Torres ang katawan ng Thai boxer.
Jab to the body from Ador Torres and getting on the inside. Good right hook and then left hand. Perapong switching to southpaw. So that's a telltale sign that shows that the body work early on from the previous exchange. Definitely not liking that. Wincing again. Hard body shot from Ador Torres. And
Dito tinamaan ang right hand sa tagiliran ng Thai boxer na nagresulta ng pagluhod nito.
Swear Ador Torres places his foot. Well, there you go. Right hand. Right hook to the body there. And Ador Torres needs to get to the neutral corner. He wants to run straight in and attack the body
Sa
straight
pagpatuloy
away.
ng laban ay ditinantanan ni Torres ang katawan nito, kung kaya't napayakap na lang ang Thai boxer sa Pinoy para mapigilan ang pag-atake nito. Agad naman na inawat ni ref ang dalawa.
Ador Torres. Again, Ador Torres looping that hook to the body. And the uppercut too. Lots of body shots being used by Ador Torres. Just placing the shots really. Not winding them up so.
Ngunit sa pagpatuloy ng laban, ayaw talagang tantanan ni Torres ang katawan nito. Kaya napayuko na lang ito at humigop ng hangin. Agad naman na nabilangan ang Thai boxer.
Another time in this round. Jab to the body, jab to the head from Ador Torres and Perapong shying away from his opponent and getting another knockdown. Then the referee has no choice. Good body work here from Ador Torres. Left hand down the middle. Then
Sa round 3 ay ayaw talagang paawat ng Pinoy. Muling binakbakan ang katawan ng Thai boxer dahilan ng pagbagsak nito. Kaya itinigil na ni ref ang
and
laban.
he's getting it right up, right hook to the body from Ador Torres. Not phased at all. And another knockdown, and that is it.
Panalo si Torres via 3rd round technical knockout. Matapos lang ng 2 buwan, June 29, 2023, ay muling napalaban si Ador Torres sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang isa na naman na Thai fighter na si Sakda Langkabam. Muling didepensahan ni Torres ang hawak nitong ABF belt. Sa round 2 ay nakipagsabayan ang Thai boxer sa Pinoy.
Left hand. Left hand as well down the right hand. Sakdal still hanging in there. Right hook connects there for Ador Torres. And big barrage of punches there from Ador Torres. Sakdal firing back with his own though.
Sa pag-atake ni Torres ay todo cover ang Thai boxer. Isang solid right hand ang pinatama ni Torres sa tagiliran na nagpaluhod sa Thai boxer.
Right jab. Big hook to the body there and Sakdal is down. Sakdal is down.
Sa pagpatuloy ng laban ay inulit lang din ni Torres ang ginawa nito. Isang solid right hand ang muling pinatama nito sa tagiliran na nagpabagsak muli sa Thai boxer. Kaya itinigilan ng referee ang laban.
Queso. Oh, and again, right hook to the body and referee waving it off.
Panalo si Torres via 2nd round technical knockout. Samantala matapos ng 3 buwan, September 28, 2023, ay balik Thailand si Ador Torres na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Thai fighter na si Pantawet Choperom o mas kilala bilang Detret Sitsaitong. Ito ang pangatlong pagdepensa ni Torres sa hawak nitong ABF belt. Sa round 1 ay pinakitaan ang Pinoy na kaya niyang ilagan ang mga suntok nito.
Jab there from Ador Torres. And you can tell that Ador Torres is very experienced. He's just not throwing so
Sa round 2 ay nakipagsabayan sa Pinoy ang Thai boxer.
What he's doing is Ador Torres slightly turned. Ador Torres just pouring light on his feet, the Filipino fighter. Right hooks the body there, left straight from Torres as well. So here we go, there's that just touching away and landing with power with the right hook.
Dito ay dinagawang ilagan ng Thai boxer ang isang lever shot na sinundan ng left uppercut at kasunod ng right hand na tumama sa tagiliran. Bulagta ang Thai boxer.
Wisely just landed some light combinations to Detret. side to Detrick's upper body, and there you go. Detrick's down with a body shot. It doesn't look like he's going to get up.
Dahil sa tindi ng tama ay di na nagawang makatayo pa ang Thai boxer. Kaya itinigil na ng referee ang laban. Panalo si Torres via second round knockout at nanatiling ABF champion. Samantala nito lang March 28, 2024 ay balik Thailand si Ador Torres na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang isa na naman na Thai fighter na si Wampichet Siripana. Ang Thai boxer na magtatangkang agawin ang titulo sa ating kababayan. At ito ang pang-apat na pagkakataon na didipinsa ng ating pambato, ang hawak nitong ABF belt. Sa round 1 ay matapang na nakikipagsabayan ang Thai boxer sa ating pambato.
Ador attempts a nice right hand with a left. And Wampichet throws a left hand of his own. And he not trying to show too much of their hand early on. Wampichet throws a big looping right hand into the ring. And Wampichet throws a 7-jab combination. That move, he did not react as he throws a body shot of his own and eats a right hand from Wampichet. Hands on the side of the head. And a nice combination landed by Ador Torres. And he allows his opponent to get a reset. And a right hand downstairs by Wampichet, which is Ador Torres. And Ador needs to be very careful and gives some flicks out the jab. Wampichet is just looking for that charging action, trying to blitz his opponent.
Sa round 2 ay walang takot ang Thai boxer at nakikipagbakbakan ito sa Pinoy.
And a nice left hand by Wampichet. And Wampichet throwing haymaker after haymaker. And Ador Torres has had right hand upstairs by Wampichet. And a right uppercut as well between the guards. Close and personal is at his disadvantage. He needs to just use his range. Ador Torres has no reason to take these shots on the Ador now uses a nice move of dragging the guard down of Wampichet to throw a left hand. He throws a nice 1-2 landed by Ador Torres. Wampichet wants to make this a slugfest, and Ador Torres lead leg on the outside of theirs because it allows you to lead leg. And a nice double jab landed by Ador Torres. Wampichet to fight fire with fire. Ador Torres move rather than waiting for an opening, create your opening.
Sa round 3 ay dito umpisa ng bugbugin ni Torres ang pambato ng Thailand.
A much better combination and activity. Ador Torres now holds center of the ring and flippage of Wampichet. And exactly what Ador Torres needs to do. Throwing that jab out a lot more confidently. Ador Torres just dangerous in the pocket. Wampichet now got his opponent on the ropes. Ador Torres to throw a big right hand of his own. Wampichet in his tracks. And Ador Torres getting out exactly what he needs to do. 10 seconds of round number 3. Ador Torres boxing beautifully, jabbing perfectly as he swings for the fences. Again, dancing around with that nice jab, flicking out combination. Will be looking very carefully if he keeps eating jabs. Ador Torres with a nice combination, and he needs to do something because this referee is looking very closely here. Wampichet now needs to come alive, and a beautiful right hand downstairs. Ador Torres now has Wampichet where he wants him. He needs to just keep bullying Wampichet right now, just constantly throwing combinations. Ador needs to just be active and keep those straight punches coming.
Sa round 4 ay makikitang naubusan na ng hangin ang Thai boxer, kaya puro swing na ang mga suntok nito. At lahat ng suntok ng Pinoy ay sinasalo ng muka ng Thai boxer.
It's been very nice in these later rounds. Wampichet leaning on his opponent. And I'm not sure this is enough because Ador Torres does a very...
Nakita ni ref na tila lasing na ang kanyang kababayan at nabubugbog lang ito kaya itinigil na ng referee ang laban.
The referee looking for a reason to now step in, I believe, because Juan Pachit, although dangerous, isn't doing anything to defend himself against these shots. Do not give the referee a reason, and like I said,
Panalo si Ador Torres via 4th round technical knockout. At hanggang sa muli mga kabuksing, paki-like at subscribe na rin para sa ganitong mga laban. Maraming salamat po.